Hey Herbies, let's talk about a spicy, warming, and truly wondrous root, ginger. You might think of it for stir fries or gingerbread, but today we're focusing on ginger tea, a simple yet potent brew that's a cornerstone of herbal wellness. So what makes ginger tea so special? The benefits are immense. It's fantastic for digestion, helping soothe upset stomachs, ease nausea, relieve bloating, and if you've ever had a heavy meal, a cup of ginger tea can be your best friend. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory, which can help muscle soreness and joint pain. And for those of us who get a little queasy on the road, it's a go-to remedy for motion sickness too. Beyond that, it's packed with antioxidants and can give your immune system a much-needed boost, helping your body fight off colds and other seasonal sniffles. Speaking of the seasons, ginger's warming properties are especially relevant. As we move into the colder months of fall and winter, our bodies naturally crave warmth. A cup of hot ginger tea can help circulate blood, warm you from the inside out, and protect against the chill. In the spring, it can help clear out sluggishness and kickstart your system. And even in the summer, a cool ginger tea can be surprisingly refreshing and help your body acclimate to the heat. Next time you're looking for a simple way to support your well-being, reach for a piece of fresh ginger, slice it thin, pour some hot water over it, and let it steep for a few minutes. And add a squeeze of lemon or a drizzle of honey to enhance the flavor. Stay well, stay balanced, and stay rooted. Until next time, bye.